In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a grand total in Tableau. Tableau is a powerful tool for data visualization and analysis, and knowing how to display grand totals can really enhance the clarity and effectiveness of your reports. So, let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, make sure you have the Tableau desktop app open and ready to go. If you're not already familiar with Tableau's interface, take a moment to orient yourself. There's a lot that a little exploration can reveal. Now that you have the app open, the next task is to access your worksheet. Your worksheet should be loaded with the data you want to visualize. Once you have your worksheet on the screen, we're going to create a visual representation of your data. Visuals are crucial as they dramatically increase the ease with which data can be understood and, subsequently, the insights that can be drawn from it. We'll start by dragging the region dimension to the columns shelf in your Tableau worksheet. This action helps distribute your data horizontally across the different regions available in your data set. Once that's done, drag category to the rows shelf. This arrangement lays the groundwork for a detailed and organized view of your data as it breaks it into columns and rows based on different categories and regions. Next, let's refine this visualization by adding another dimension. Drag subcategory to the rows shelf as well, right below category. By doing this, you're creating a hierarchical view that adds depth to your data visualization, showing all subcategories under each category, which is often essential for more granular insights. With the structure in place, it's time to show the actual data. Drag the sales measure to the text area under the marks field. This will populate your table with the actual sales figures, effectively linking the visual framework you've created to the numerical data. Now let's move to the left side of your screen and click on the Analytics pane. This is where you'll find different tools and options to enhance your data analysis. In the Analytics pane, locate the Totals option and drag it over to your view. This will allow you to add totals to your existing data visualization. At this point, you'll have the option to choose how to display your grand totals. You can select either grand totals for columns or rows, depending on the insights you are aiming to highlight. Alternatively, if you prefer using menus, there's another simple method. Click on Analysis from the menu at the top. From there, navigate to Totals and select the option to show either column or row grand totals. This method achieves the same end and might be more aligned with your workflow preferences. And there you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide to displaying grand totals in Tableau. By following these steps, you can ensure that your data presentations in Tableau are both informative and visually coherent.